Hi, in this episode Zane discovers what was wrong with our transmission.
Yep, and we actually get a vehicle that we can drive.
So that's what we're going to do next.
That happened. I was warned this would happen. I have been very, very careful. And it happened. What a piece of scrap. I found another symptom of this problem we have with the gearbox. I'll see if I can show you. So, revving up, I'm not sure if you can see this, it's in my hand, revving up in park. Nice and free. Neutral, it should be the same, but if I rev it, the truck moves forward. Shouldn't do that. So we've definitely got a problem. So I'm not sure if this is good news or bad. This is what I found in the pan on the gearbox. And looking underneath, you can the filter's pretty clogged up as well. So there's definitely some clutches burnt out. This is the band adjuster, and the band's adjusted fine. All the symptoms are pointing to the forward clutch suffering at some point, and it's probably welded together, causing a bit of conflict inside the gearbox. Anyway, it's got to come out. Well, I've measured it, let's see if it'll fit.
So this simple broken seal allowed first gear to basically be engaged all the time, when it was in reverse, when it was in second, and when it was in third.
These have been slipping, but they're not. Well, they are worn out. This is the forward, which is definitely gone. So they've gone down to the metal.
It can reverse when it's calm.
Yeah, we won't be long.
If we're long, it's gone wrong.
I found when it was going a bit faster, it started wandering about a little bit.
But the steering is cock on, isn't it? I've done 75 in this.
Have you?
Briefly. And it was quite exciting. I tend to do 50-55.
But it's nicely in third now. It didn't feel right before.
Well, it's got a kickdown.
Yeah.
It's never had a kickdown. Oh wow, Zane.
Feels like 140 horsepower now.
Wow, what a transformation. I could pull away.
It was trying to do two things at once.
I've got a flag right in the way. Because this is the sort of turning I wouldn't be able to do.
Oh right.
Because that would have been good.
Yeah.
That's amazing. It's a different van.
Yeah.
That's remarkable. all I can say is thank you. I mean, had we not had the lockdown, we would have been probably here a year ago.
Yeah.
In truth.
Yeah.
But of course, we were trying to like also make sure it wasn't anything else. You know, we were going for the other little bits and pieces.
You didn't ever really drive it when it was right, did you? Because it was wrong when you bought it. So
yeah,
you
exactly.
didn't know what it was supposed to be.
I've never driven it like this.
No.
Ever. It's always had some niggle.
Because the gearbox went straight away.
It did, yeah. I mean, it overheated within like 25 miles, and then half a mile after that, upon repair of the cooling system, it then failed. So it would have failed coming home anyway for the day, on a day I bought it.
It is quite a pleasant drive, actually, and I didn't realise how much nicer it is when it's warmed up.
Oh, when it's cold, it's an absolute pig. How are you at rebuilding carburetors, eh?
I'm good at rebuilding cars.
Are you? See, you might have just talked yourself into, because I think the car obviously is old.
They do transform when you rebuild them.
Maybe would you be up for a car rebuild at some point?
Yeah, later on when I got some space.
Oh,
It's got a new van.
oh, magnifique! It's got kickdown, it accelerates, it pulls away. It's fantastic. It's genuinely fantastic. Oh, it's a Hillman. One day, Chris. This is the dream. Chrome.
It's actually just a motorhome engine. It's a 454 big block Chevy, which is 7.5 litre. But it's it hasn't really had anything done to it inside, so it's just probably about 300 horsepower, which is quite low for something like that.
How do they get so little out of such a big displacement?
They're pretty good. Like that was back in the day with.
You got a small block, bigger. It was a small block.
Yeah, mine's a small block.
Yeah, a massive great lump of metal stuck to it.
Yeah, I know.
Yours is only about 170, isn't it?
140 from the
Oh,
factory.
is it 140?
When it was new, in tip-top tune.
Oh, right, so it's probably 100 now. It feels like it's not much more than 140. Yeah. Let's fire this up. So in fact, I will get into it. It won't run straight away the first time, and because it's got no choke, you know. But it's pretty loud.
Yeah.
It's like sitting on the floor in here. Fuel pump. It's really noisy.
So that's a 9 litre engine.
Yeah, 572 cubic inch. That one's that's mine. That's 350.
Right.
So 5.7. That's a three. That's the same as that with a stroked crank, which is a 383.
Right.
Which is, I can't remember, a bit bigger.
A bit bigger.
That's my race engine, which is a Ford,
Yeah, okay.
and that's 7.5 litre. That's a 460.
Right.
And that, and this one, the one I'm working on now, which is a supercharged small block,
Yeah.
but it's 406 cubic feet. So, and horsepower, 730, 650, 500, 2000, and 400.
So that's the drag racing.
That's the monster truck.
That's the oh.
Yeah, it goes in. I haven't got a picture, but that's similar. I do the gearboxes for that one.
So it's be,
I don't build the engines for that one. I do the gearboxes.
Oh, fair play.
So I built that so that I could travel to Scandinavia with a small trailer
Yeah.
and not have to pay loads of money for extended trailer. And so I bolt it together when I get to the track.
Oh, fair play.
And now there's a few that have
Done it.
done the same. Yeah, but I was the first one to do it, and that's my son's Skoda,
Oh, excellent.
which is 400 cubic inch, and it's now rear wheel drive,
Excellent.
and that's got a 500 horsepower engine in it.
So how much would it cost then to do something like that?
Loads.
Yeah. no, I appreciate that.
You can do it.
You
You
have
can
to.
do it on a normal wage if you don't go to the pub every night. You know, it's not.
Don't drink, don't smoke.
Yeah, it's not.
I've got kids.
Trust me, Zane, you
But
can't.
it's big amounts of money. If you have to do it all yourself. If you
Yeah.
pay me, then you've got to have lots of money. But my engine probably cost me 5,000 quid to build. But if you bought it, it would be 10 because there's so much labour. And in fact, it's probably way more than that for me to build now.
Yeah.
So for the benefits of the viewers at home, I mean, I've had this van now for 2.5 years, and this is the first time I've actually really enjoyed driving it. Everything's working, the gear shifts are beautiful, it can accelerate, it doesn't make any noises, and I've got a kickdown. It's just magnificent.
Yeah, I take credit to Zane for the work he's done. You know, it is just transformed this whole vehicle into a drivable, everyday, item. Where before it just wasn't enjoyable. You're wondering if you're going to make it around the next corner, let alone to go anywhere in it.
Do you know how happy I am?
Well, you're smiling, so I'd say quite a bit.
I'm so happy I'm going to buy another camera and I'm going to buy a proper windscreen mount.
Wow.
I am.
Wow. So this has inspired you to make you guys viewing pleasure better.
Yeah, we're going to improve
Yes.
your viewing pleasure now
Yes.
because I'm in such a good mood.
Could we just get some younger people to take our place? That would probably make the viewing better for the viewer. We never thought we'd get to this point where we use a kickdown. Wow, that's pretty quick, Ed. That's just beautiful to drive, though, isn't it? It's just that you can almost not cut the tension of Ed driving. you're getting vibes of happiness.
I know.
Smiling while he's in the van. I've known Ed for a rather long time. This is the most I've ever seen him smile.
Oh, for our American viewers, there is Glastonbury Tour again. So we're now approaching the Isle of Avalon, the mysterious world of wizards and orcs. They're all saying, look at that gold roof on that van.
Yeah, they're going, wow.
What's that reflecting in the sunshine is what they're saying.
Yeah, oh, it's hurting my eyes.
Yeah. Well, we've completed our drive back to Bridgewater. The van has been absolutely fantastic. Everything's working as it should. I think we finally cracked it, folks.
Yeah, like I say, beautiful drive. No stress involved in, like I say, pulling away. Everything's just the way it should be. So many more different plans have come in now since this has been fixed in the short journey back. But we've got so many more ideas now. There's more enthusiasm to move forward. But and just seeing Ed happy is a bonus.
It doesn't happen often, does it?
No, it is a result. It is a credit to say to that pull away.
Look at that.
No problem whatsoever.
And on that happy ending, back to the kettle.
Yay!
Happy ending. I can't say that.
No.
Well, we're very happy campers now. Thank you for watching this episode. Please like and subscribe. We hope you enjoy what we're doing, and we'll catch you next time. You guys take care.